Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your marketing strategy with HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current marketing strategy. Identify your target audience and their needs. Analyze your existing marketing metrics to determine what's working and what isn't. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to the marketing dashboard. Utilize HubSpot's reporting tools to gather data on your campaigns. Explore the analytics section to look at traffic, conversions, and engagement rates. Set specific goals for your marketing strategy based on your findings. Create buyer personas using HubSpot's persona tool. Define the main pain points of your audience to tailor your content. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your audience's interests. Use HubSpot's content management system to create and manage your content. Plan a content calendar to maintain consistency. Incorporate SEO best practices throughout your content. Utilize HubSpot's keyword tool to identify relevant keywords. Optimize your website for the keywords you have chosen. Enhance your social media presence by connecting HubSpot with your social accounts. Schedule posts directly from HubSpot to maintain an active online presence. Engage with your audience through comments and messages. Implement email marketing strategies using HubSpot's email tool. Segment your email lists for personalized communication. Create automated email workflows to nurture leads. Utilize HubSpot's CRM tools to track customer interactions. Monitor leads and manage sales pipelines effectively. Conduct A/B testing for your marketing campaigns using HubSpot's tools. Analyze the results to refine your strategies. Leverage HubSpot's landing page builder to optimize lead capture. Ensure your call to action buttons are clear and compelling. Gather feedback from your team and clients to improve your tactics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.